In today's era, the tensions and conflicts are rising between nations day by day, which leads to the threat on the existence of humanity. One such big threat is biological warfare weapons. Biological warfare is also known as germ warfare. It is the use of biological toxins or infectious agents such as bacteria, viruses, insects, and fungi with the intent to kill, harm, or incapacitate humans, animals, or plants as an act of war. And you know what? The weapons used for such war is more dangerous than it even looks like. It can be a small virus which can start a biological war. The first known use of true biological warfare weapons was done by Germany during the First World War. Covert operations using both anthrax and glanders attempted to infect animals directly or to contaminate animal feed in several of their enemy countries, even though on a small scale. But biological warfare is much older. The use of such weapons goes back to even 1495 when the Spanish mixed wine with blood of leprosy patients and gifted it to the French. With time, these biological warfare weapons have upgraded and will upgrade even more until the right moment when it would start a war.
Scientists all around the world predict that in future we may see a lot of biological wars which would involve usage of advanced biological weapons. As per reports, there are some countries who have been researching on these weapons for years and may even have their own deadly weapons ready. It's just a matter of time until we see political instability between two countries and the countries would use their biological weapons. As per these scientists, the biological weapons can be of different kinds in future. They can be in the form of plague, pandemic, and epidemic in a certain area, or even an inspiration from Spain in 1495. Possibilities are there that it can even lead to a world war and destruction of entire human race. Biological warfare weapons don't include high-rise buildings, forts. It kills and weakens the most important part of a country, its human resource. This will have deep impacts on the economy, and the poor people would be short of money for treatment of the disease caused by some man-made microorganisms. And in the deep, its all cause would be greed, willingness for power, political instability, and selfishness of some groups of people.
Throughout the years, several treaties have been signed, like the International Declaration in Brussels 1874 and the two international treaties in 1925 and 1972. But all these treaties and declarations weren't followed by some countries, and they continued to make these weapons. The main solution can only be a transparent government in all countries to ensure peace of all, and the treaties should contain more harsher terms for those who break it, like land takeaways, introducing fines, etc. We would say that biological warfare weapons are ones which can't be stopped if they are activated, but the possibility of a future war can be stopped if the people take steps now, because if we won't, then who would? Thank you and Jai Hind.